IIHM eCHAT, that is Electronic Common Hospitality Aptitude Test, is an online national level exam which is conducted by the International Institute of Hotel Management to give admission to candidates in various hotel management programs offered by participating institutes across India. This year, IIHM eCHAT will be held in May. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we are Youth for Work, and if you are also interested in IIHM eCHAT, so watch the eligibility criteria, exam pattern and tips to crack the video in the playlist till the end. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria of IIHM eCHAT. Candidates should have cleared their class 12th or equivalent exam with minimum 50% aggregate marks. Qualifying exam must be passed with English as one of the compulsory subjects. The upper age limit is 22 years of the candidate. Now let's talk about the exam pattern of IIHM eCHAT. The mode of the exam is online and time duration is 60 minutes. The number of questions is 50 and type of questions is multiple choice questions. There are 5 sections in the sections: language comprehension, data interpretation and analysis, awareness of Indian and global economy, intelligence and critical reasoning, mathematical skills. The link of the entire syllabus is given in the description below. Let us discuss a few tips and tricks to crack the IIHM eCHAT exam. Go through the syllabus and exam pattern thoroughly and plan according with the topic needs more time and attention. You need to finish 5 sections of the exam within 60 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 50 questions in total. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Manage your time properly. Give appropriate amount of time to each section. Try to improve your time by practicing as many online tests as possible. For that, I will recommend you the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work for that purpose. The link of the app is given in the description below.